Investing is like dating. Yep, you heard me right. When you invest, you're building a relationship with the company, not just buying stocks. Just like finding a partner, you need a strategy. Are you going for a short-term fling or a long-term commitment? In stocks, this means choosing between technical and fundamental analysis. Technical analysis is for those looking for short-term gains, but beware, many end up as gamblers rather than investors. Meanwhile, fundamental analysis is for the long game. It's like being a detective, diving into the company's financials, management, and market position. It's about picking companies that will thrive over the next 3 to 10 years. Think of a company's balance sheet as its dating profile. You want to make sure it has more assets than liabilities. Is it financially healthy? Look deep into the company's balance sheet. Find out if it's well equipped to handle future challenges. The basic rule: assets should outnumber liabilities. Next, we look at the income statement. It's like checking the company's background. What's its financial history? Profitability is key, and operating income gives you a clear picture. Keep your eyes peeled for sustainable growth. Moving on, don't forget about cash flow. This shows how well the company manages its money, critical for any serious relationship. You want a company that uses cash wisely and strategically reinvests in growth. Now let's talk intangibles. Qualitative analysis is just as crucial. Brand reputation, leadership quality, and competitive advantage, these are factors that numbers don't show. A strong brand and dependable leadership team can offer the security you're looking for. But even with all this, resist panic selling. Rush decisions based on market rumors are like acting on gossip without the facts. Trust solid research and avoid baseless reactions to news. Ready to diversify? Just like you wouldn't let one person define you, don't let a single stock dictate your future. Explore value and growth stocks. Mix it up. Search for stocks across different sectors and countries to spread the risk. Finally, if all this seems daunting, consider index funds. They're like going on multiple dates to find the best match without the exhaustive research. Imagine earning around $17,000 a week through smart, diversified investments. The key to investing is like the key to dating: patience, research, and making informed choices that set you up for a successful future.